In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a dumbbell chart using Tableau in just 5 minutes. So, let's jump right in and simplify this process for you, step by step. First things first, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you download it before we proceed. After launching the app, the next logical step is accessing your worksheet. This is essentially your blank canvas where all the magic will happen. Once you are in your worksheet, focus your attention on the data pane. Here, you'll need to drag sales to the column shelf. This will be one of the primary data points we'll be using, and by placing it in the columns, you lay the foundation for your chart. Following that, drag the subcategory to the rows shelf. This action will structure your data in a way that allows us to compare different categories side by side, which is a key element of a dumbbell chart. Next, you'll want to change the default chart type to a circle chart. Simply locate the drop-down for chart types and select Circle. A visual step is always more effective than verbal instructions, so make sure you see those circles popping up on your worksheet for a clearer presentation. Moving ahead, we introduce Order Date to the Detail section of the Marks card. Click on the order date and select Filter. Once you've opened the filter options, choose a 2-year span. This means selecting the relevant years shown and hitting Apply, followed by OK. It's important to pinpoint the exact time frame you're interested in for a meaningful comparison. After setting the time range, adjust the size of the circles to your liking. Hold down the Ctrl key and drag Year Order Date to the color area of your Marks card. This adds a layer of visual differentiation between years, bringing out trends or changes over time. Next, take Sales again and drag it to the columns shelf, opting this time for a dual axis. This layering allows both data points to be plotted along the same timeline, providing a comprehensive comparison. You're almost there. Right-click on one of the axes and select Synchronize Axis to align them perfectly. Synchronization ensures that your data is consistently proportional and easy to interpret. As one of the final steps, go to the second Sales field on the Marks card and switch it to a line chart. This action connects the dots and transforms your chart into a true dumbbell, making it easier to follow trends across time. The last adjustment involves modifying year order date from color by dragging it into the Path section on the Marks card. This connects the circles with lines that represent progression over the 2-year span we've set up, tying together all the components to form your final product. And there you have it, a clear, concise dumbbell chart that showcases your data effectively. Now, you can admire your handiwork and use this visual tool for presentations or reports.